Hello, and welcome to the American Food Adventure. I'm Kelly, and I'm feeling hungry just thinking about today's topic.
And I'm Hank. Yes, we are two non-Americans who love to eat American food. We are explorers. Today, we will talk about famous, simple, and delicious American dishes.
We will use easy English, so if you are new to English, please relax and enjoy the story. Our first stop is a place everyone knows, the burger joint.
Let's start with the king of American food, the hamburger.
Hank, let's pretend we are ordering now. The simplest phrase is, I want, followed by the food.
That is right. I will go first. I will say, I want a cheeseburger, please. I need cheese. What about you, Kelly?
I will try something different. I want a plain one. I want a hamburger, please. See? No cheese. Very easy.
They will ask about the size. They often ask single or double. Kelly, what does double mean?
Double means 2 pieces of meat. Single means 1 piece of meat. I think a single is enough for me. I want a single patty.
I am very hungry today. I will say, I want a double cheeseburger. Listen to the word double.
Now, the toppings. This is where the fun starts. Let's learn the simple words for vegetables: lettuce, tomato, and onion.
And sauce. The three main sauces are ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise.
I like a lot of vegetables. I will say, I want lettuce and tomato. Hank, what if you hate onions? How do you tell the waiter?
I use the word no. I say, no onion, please. If I want a lot of ketchup, I say, extra ketchup, please.
Extra means more. That is a useful word. Let's practice combinations. Hank, ask for a big burger with a few changes.
I want a double cheeseburger with tomato, no onion, please, and extra mayonnaise.
Good job. Now for the sides. We must order fries. They often ask small, medium, or large.
I want the big size. I want large fries, please. And for a drink, I want a milkshake.
A milkshake is a must. I want a chocolate one. I want a chocolate milkshake. See? The word for the flavor goes before the drink.
Okay, we finish eating. Now we must pay. I will ask, how much is it?
The waiter will give you the bill. If you want to pay with plastic money, you say, card, please. If you want to pay with paper money, you say, cash, please.
After paying, we always say, thank you. It was delicious.
Next up is another huge American food, pizza. Many people call the restaurant for delivery.
When you call, you start with the restaurant name. Then you say, I want to order a pizza.
They will ask you for your address. This is important. You must say your street name and house number clearly.
They will also ask for your phone number. You say,
My number is, and then you say the digits slowly.
Let's talk about the pizza itself. The sizes are small, medium, and large. Sometimes they have extra large. Hank, what size pizza do you need for a party?
For a party, I need an extra large pizza. I will say, I want an extra large pizza, please.
Now, the crust, the edge of the bread. Two simple words: thin crust and thick crust. I like thin crust.
I like it thick. I will say, thick crust pizza, please. Now the toppings. Let's learn 4 simple ones: pepperoni, sausage, mushroom, and bell pepper.
My favorite is pepperoni. I will say, I want pepperoni and extra cheese.
What if you and I like different things? You like pepperoni, but I only like mushroom. We can order half and half.
That is a great word. How do we say that?
You say half pepperoni and half mushroom, please. The word half means 50%.
I see. I will ask, can I get half sausage and half bell pepper, please? This is very useful.
They will ask how you pay. Cash or card? Again, you choose. Then they tell you the wait time. They might say, it will be about 45 minutes.
If they say 45 minutes, that means we must wait. I will say, okay, thank you, and then wait for the delicious pizza to arrive.
Kelly, we cannot forget the sweets. Let's go to the donut shop. I want a glazed donut.
I want a jelly donut. If we want 6 donuts, we ask for a box of 6.
They will ask about the flavors. Let's learn simple flavors: vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate.
I will order my box now. I want 2 chocolate, 2 vanilla, and 2 strawberry donuts, please.
Now, ice cream. We must choose the container, cup, or cone. Which one do you like?
I like a cone. I will say, I want 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream in a cone.
I like 2 scoops in a cup. 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream in a cup. Scoops means balls of ice cream.
After eating, we must talk about how the food tasted. We need simple words.
The simplest word for good food is yummy. Or you can say, it is very good.
If the food is too sweet, you say, it is too sweet. If the food is perfect, you say, it is delicious.
Let's practice. If the donut is great, I say, this donut is yummy. If the coffee is too cold, I say, the coffee is cold. I want it hot.
Last quick stop, barbecue. This is very American. 2 simple barbecue words: ribs and steak.
And the sauce. They put barbecue sauce on everything. If you don't want it, you say, no barbecue sauce, please.
If you order a steak, they will ask you how you want the meat cooked: rare, medium, or well done?
Medium is usually the safest choice. So I say, I want my steak medium, please.
Hank, we finished our food adventure. We talked about so many simple and useful words for American food.
Yes, let's quickly review the most important request phrases we learned today.
Remember the I want sentence. Say it with me. I want a cheeseburger, please.
And the can I get sentence. Say it. Can I get a large pizza, please?
To say no to something, you say no mushroom, please.
To ask the price, you ask, how much is it?
Hank, thank you for being my food buddy today.
Thank you, Kelly. Remember, English for food is very easy. Just try to use one new simple word today. Maybe double or extra.
We have one final simple question for you. What American food do you want to eat now?
Tell us your answer. Thank you for listening to the American Food Adventure.
Bye.
Goodbye.